हरिपुर सुवर्ण बिहार की जय, Godrum Dweep ki jai. So now we have entered the third island of Navadvip. It stands for Kirtan Bhakti, which is the highest Bhakti. Kirtan Bhakti. So this Suvarna Bihar, Navadvipna Raja Suvarna Senni Rajdhani હતી. This is the capital of the king of Navadvip. His name was King Suvarna Sen. He had a huge palace here in Satya Yuga, almost 8 plus 12 plus 16, 20, 30 lakh years ago, around 25 lakhs years ago. 25 lakhs means how much? You understand lakhs? No. 2.5 million years ago, King Suvarna Sen was having his kingdom here. And but he did not know that he is staying in Godrumadvip. Suvarna Sen was the king of Navadvip, but he was not aware of the importance that where he was staying. So Narad Muni had to come and to tell him that you are very, very fortunate because you are staying in Navadvip, the island of Navdha Bhakti. A lot of tulsis are growing here because Suvarna Sen became such a great devotee after Narad Muni came and he worshipped the Lord. Lord danced here and his devotion. A lot of tulsis are growing and these are the stones which are 25 lakh years old. 2.5 million years. 25 लाख वर्ष पुराना पत्थर छे सुवर्ण सेन राजा ने. The stones have seen Gauranga Mahaprabhu even before Gauranga came in Kali Yuga. Gauranga came here and danced in Satya Yuga. Because the Lord just appears in front of our vision and he disappears. He is not born like a sun, appears and goes, but he appears somewhere. When he disappears here, he appears somewhere else. So, ભગવાન આપણા દૃષ્ટિના સામે આવે અને પછી અદૃશ્ય થઈ જાય છે. એટલે આ 25 લાખ વર્ષ પહેલા પણ ગૌરાંગ મહાપ્રભુ અહીંયા આવીને નૃત્ય કર્યું સુવર્ણ સેનના સામે. કે અહીંયા આવ્યા કલયુગમાં એના પહેલા. કારણ કે ભગવાન તો પોતાના ધામમાં નિત્ય રહે છે એટલે ગમે ત્યારે પ્રગટ થઈ શકે આપણા સામે. અત્યારે પણ પ્રગટ થઈ શકે. જો તમારી ભક્તિ હોય તો.
મારી ક્યાં ભક્તિ છે? નદી પર જઈએ છે, વૃંદાવન જતા જ નથી.
So, Suvarna Sen was a highly materialistic king in the beginning. He just wanted to expand his kingdom in all directions. He was conquering everywhere. So Narad Muni became very sad, saying that he has a jewel diamond. He is staying in Navadvip, but he doesn't know the importance. નારદ મુનિને દયા આવી કે સુવર્ણસેન બહુ ભૌતિકવાદી હતો, આખા પ્રદેશોનો રાજ્ય વધારે કરવા માંગતો હતો, મને આ જોઈએ આ દેશ જોઈએ, આ બધી જગ્યાએ આક્રમણ કરતો હતો. નારદજીને દયા આવી અને નારદજીએ तो दया आ गई और उन्होंने आके उपदेश दिया सुवर्णसेन को और सुवर्णसेन को कहा कि ये धाम में भगवान कलयुग में आने वाले हैं, यही धाम में भगवान कलयुग में आने वाले हैं और तुम वहां ही रहते हो, तुम उस जगह के राजा हो, आंख खोलो, तुम प्रेम के पीछे भाग रहे हो. आनंद, कोई भी चेष्टा हम करते हैं जीवन में वो किसके लिए करते हैं?
आनंद के लिए,
आनंद पाने के लिए. Any activity we do in life, we do it to get happiness in life. Even we earn money because of happiness. We want happiness. हम पैसा कमाते हैं भी आनंद के लिए. सब वस्तु है हम आनंद के लिए करते हैं. तो नारद मुनि ने बोला असली आनंद तुमको भगवान दे सकते हैं और उस आनंद का कभी अंत नहीं होता है, वो आनंद बढ़ता ही जाता है. आनंदाम बुद्धि वर्धनम प्रतिपदम पूर्णामृता स्वादनम. Real happiness is given by Gauranga. You worship Gauranga and your life will be successful. नारद जी ने यहाँ उपदेश दिया. राजा सुवर्णसेन का महल बहुत बड़ा था सतयुग में, अभी तो इतने ही पत्थर बचे हैं. एक्चुअली मेरे परम गुरु जी भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती ठाकुर जब यहाँ से चल रहे थे, स्वानंद सुगत कुंज से नरसिंहपल्ली जा रहे थे, तब उन्होंने इस रास्ते में ही जगह को देखा और उन्होंने कहा कि ये जगह मुझे चाहिए. I want to buy this land. When Bhakti Siddhant was walking here, it was a total forest. Nobody knew that these stones were lying here. Nobody knew this was Suvarna Sen's palace in Godrumadvip. But he is the self-realized soul Acharya. He can see anything because of his vision. So he was walking here. He said, I want to buy this land. And they went to the Zamindar that our Guruji wants to buy this land. Zamindar said, I will give him better land. This land is full of cobras and snakes and tigers and big jackals. No. Don't worry, Mataji, now they are not there.
Oh, it was a bumblebee.
Okay. So the Lord said, they went to Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati, asked him again, he is saying he will give you better land. He said, no, I want this land. मेरे को यही जमीन चाहिए. तो जमींदार ने बोला इसमें तो और कुछ जंगली जानवर रहता है, गुरुजी को बोलो मैं दूसरा जमीन दूंगा. No, मुझे यही चाहिए. And when they purchased this land, then Guruji, he sent his brahmacharis inside Bhakti Siddhanta to search. You search this land and you will find something. Tell me what you find. તો બધા ભક્તોને એમને મોકલે કે જાઓ ખોળો, હવે આ જમીન આપણી છે, હવે ખોળો, અહીંયા તમારે શું મળે છે, શું મિલેगा आपको. तो सब लोगों ने ढूंढते ढूंढते ये एक बड़ा कोबरा था. बड़ा कोबरा, वो जिसके माथे में मणि होता है, मणि का कोबरा देखा है आपने? बहुत विशाल कोबरा होता है. There's a diamond on his head. Cobra. That cobra was guarding the stones here. He was guarding the palace of Suvarna Sen. सुवर्ण सेन का महल की रक्षा कर रहा था. तो सब भक्त लोग आए, बाद में वो कोबरा चला गया. बोलते हैं, now these stones belong to the light person. Now the stones will be taken care of by Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati. So I will leave. Cobra went away. कोबरा चला गया. उस टाइम से इसकी रक्षा किया है. और बाद में नारद जी के उपदेश से राजा सुवर्ण सेन ने गौर मंत्र स्वीकार किया. And Suvarna Sen, after hearing about Gauranga, Suvarna Sen started dancing by saying, Bhaja Gauranga, Kaha Gauranga, Laha Gaurangir Naam Re.
Bhaja Gauranga Kaha Gauranga.
Please sing.
Naam Re.
Suvarna Sen is singing. If you don't sing, then you will not see. Go. भज गौरांग कह गौरांग लह गौरांगे नाम रे.
भज गौरांग कह गौरांग लह गौरांग नाम रे.
जन गौरांग भजे से हाय गौरा प्राण हे जन गौरांग भजे से हाय मोरा प्राण रे. जय
जय राधा गोविंद राधा गोविंद राधे.
dancing here, so you have to also dance. Without dancing, you can go around. Jai Radha Govinda Radha Govinda Radha.
जय राधा गोविंद राधा गोविंद राधे.
Jai Radha Govinda Radha Govinda Radha.
जय राधा गोविंद राधा गोविंद राधे.
Jai Radha Jai
धन है
छोटा छोटा स्पीकर लेके आओ, चलिए छोटा हेलीकॉप्टर। हेलीकॉप्टर में वो ड्राइवर को दे दिया, मैं सोचा इधर बैठे चले। So anyway, this is the most beautiful Radha Govinda installed by Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Thakur. ये राधा गोविंद का स्थापना साक्षात भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती ने किया, उनके हृदय से प्रकट हो गए मतलब। और गौर हरि भगवान साइड में है सोने के रंग में, गोल्डन फॉर्म ऑफ गौर हरि, एंड शालिग्राम Shilas are there. So Narad Muni, he told Raja Suvarna Sen, says, Gaura Nama Nalaya Jai Krishna Bhaje Jiya, Shri Krishna Bahu Kale Paya. He said, O king, if you don't chant Gauranga's name, then you will get Krishna after a very long time. It will take very long time to get Krishna without Gauranga's name. Gaura Nama Laye, Satya Krishna Paye Se, Aparado Nahi Rahe Daya. Anybody who chants Gauranga's name, that person will attain Krishna very quickly, very fast. That is the promise of Narada to Suvarna Sen. Gaur Nama Jai Labe Tate Krishna Kripa Have Braje Baschite Paibe. So once you take chant Gauranga's name, Krishna will be very merciful because it is touching Krishna's heart. When you call him as Gauranga, Krishna is very happy because he is in Radha's mood. So anybody who chants Gauranga's name will attain eternal residence in Vrindavan very fast. That is कि नारद जी सुवर्ण सेन ने कहा कि जो गौरांग का नाम लेगा वो कृष्ण को बहुत जल्दी प्राप्त करेगा, और गौरांग के नाम के बिना कृष्ण बहुत ही दूर रह जाएंगे, बहुत जन्म लग जाएगा कृष्ण को प्राप्त करने के लिए। और जो भी गौर का नाम लेगा वो वृंदावन में उसको वास करेगा, उसको कृष्ण प्रेम मिलेगा बहुत जल्दी। तो राजा का नारद जी के गुरुजी से आदेश मिलके गौरांग का नाम प्राप्त करके राजा सुवर्ण सेन नाचने लगा, dancing, and he started chanting Gaura, Gauranga, 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 like that. And very soon the Lord appeared in front of him along with all his associates, Gadadhar, Nityananda, Advaita, all they were dancing here in Satyuga. भगवान प्रकट हुए और सुवर्ण सेन के सामने नृत्य किया, and सुवर्ण सेन attained the Lord very quickly in Navadvip by chanting the name Gauranga. गौरंग का नाम लेने से उसको बहुत जल्दी मिल गए, और बाद में सुवर्ण सेन sat down at the feet of Gauranga, and Gauranga picked him up and said, "You have pleased me with your devotion, and when I come in Kali Yuga, you will become बुद्धिमंत खान." कि भगवान ने उसको उठाया, जब वो गिर गए तो भगवान ने सुवर्ण सेन राजा को उठाया और बोला कि तुम्हारा जन्म मेरे अवतार में कलयुग में तुम बनोगे बुद्धिमंत खान, बड़े जमींदार, बड़ा पैसे वाला धनी व्यक्ति बनोगे, और तुम मेरे शादी को स्पॉन्सर करोगे। भगवान ने बोला, "You will sponsor my marriage and you will become बुद्धिमंत खान." So the king was very happy that he will get entry into the Lord's लीला। भगवान का लीला में प्रवेश पड़ी गए, मैंने लीला में प्रवेश मिला, and he became the richest person in Navadvip who sponsored the marriage of the Lord to Vishnupriya, second marriage. વિષ્ણુપ્રિયા દેવી સાથે ભગવાનનો વિવાહ થયો તો બુદ્ધિમંત ખાને બધું આપ્યું, એટલી બધી સુવિધા આપી, इतना सारा अरेंजमेंट किया बुद्धिमंत खान ने कि एक एक ब्राह्मण ने 5-5 बार दक्षिणा लिया, तो भी कम नहीं हो रहा था, इतना धन बुद्धिमंत खान ने दिया। तो इसीलिए ये सुवर्ण विहार, इसका 2 कारण है। इसका नाम सुवर्ण विहार क्यों है? always very rich man, gold. Like Suvarna is gold. So very rich man, and he saw the Lord dancing. और दूसरा कारण इसीलिए हुआ